the Seagulls. Wow. See, those are Seagulls. Early morning, seen them when I came back from my ride, and here they are again. What is it? Must be time of the year. They really like it. Look how nice. Reflection of the sunset on the reservoir. What a beauty. What a serenity. I rush out of my house, but I'm too late, so we cannot see the sun. Only a bit left reflection. You can see how beautiful it is, the sky. Nice. But the seagulls, I don't know what they have today, but they're all around. See? Those are seagulls on the water. Oh no, what's on their head? To enjoy it. Come here. Usually they are on the roof. Above this water there's a playground. Oh, here's some ducks. Yes, believe it or not. Yes, nice. Wow. The seagull is all around. Look at that. Oh, he's go. Okay, and there's another one. And some. Oh, what a beauty! What a beauty! How lucky I am. Eyes to see and mind to enjoy. Fly of the seagull and the ducks. Nice, huh? Hoppa. You can see there's a dicky duck, Donald Duck. And here more coming up. Ooh. And one nice company. How lovely it is. What a nice. Yeah. See? Hope you like it. Special. I enjoy it. That's why I want to say merci beaucoup, grazie mille for whoever come to see my silly Aronnelife video. Everything is there. Yes, when I left my house, I've seen my cut again, and I took a video. We'll put that soon. But now we got the sunset and the beautiful reflection of the water. So we're gonna say good night because we missed the big hole, but this is a beauty. Yes, there's some more ducks there now. You can see Donald Ducks took over. Where are they flying every night? I wish I knew. Nice. What a scenery. So peaceful. Better than open the news, CNN, NBC, Radio Canada. I'm tired of it. Politics is all bunch of liar and thief. That's what they do with us. They're playing with us. What a beautiful time those ducks have on the water. So nice. Amazing, huh? Yes. Very, very nice. So we're gonna say buonanotte to all my favorite birds. They sure make my days. Sanaya. Wow. See? Those are seagulls. I made a mistake. There's no Donald Duck today. Seagulls all around. Look how they're flying. Nice. You hardly see them on the water like this. So nice, the reflection of the sun, but it's getting darker. Wow. Whole bunch of scavenger all around the world. We got those seagulls. How nice it is. Look, the beautiful whatever left for the sunset on the water, because the sun is already down, but we still can see those beauty. Yes, you never see them swimming, but today they're special. They just swim. The seagulls are flying all around. And if you leave any food near you, they sure know how to grab it. Neat. Amazing. Look at the beautiful reflection. Whatever left some light further. And here, the beautiful, look at them. Here they are. Yes, I made a mistake. Those are not Donald Duck. Those are scavenger seagulls. Yeah, they're coming closer to me. No food, buddies. You're not gonna eat me alive. You ever remember Hitchcock, the movie called Birds? I hope one day I'll catch a video with 1,000 birds. That will be something else. See, they go like Donald Duck, but they're seagulls. Now I made a mistake, see? Here, some they go flying. Nice, nice, nice. They fly. Holy! How nice, how nice, how nice, how nice, how nice. Look at that. Holy, they're all around. Wow, 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 wow. Lucky, patient is the virtue. Look at them. Wow. They are flying back and forth. But I think I had enough of those seagulls. Here, there's more bunch of coming, and we're gonna say bye-bye to them. See, I told you, those guys flyer. They don't sit on the water like Donald Duck. Only this guy. But this must be Donald Duck. My buddy came to say goodnight to me. Donald Duck, yeah, that's definitely Donald Duck. Donald Duck, take his last swim of the evening. No? Nice. Very nice. Wow. Nice, beautiful reflection of the water. Can hear them all around. A bunch of noisy guy. Anyhow, this is it for tonight. And look how beautiful the reservoir look. Oh, the mosquito is eating me. I better get out of here. Nice.